Halima and I'm here with Samachar Darpan to present you today's top news. So let us get started with some news on the vaccination. There is a chance that corona vaccine might come out from Telangana by September. Two companies based in Telangana are working to develop the vaccine for COVID-19. Chief Minister K. Chandrasekhar Rao announced this in the last night in the press meet that the vaccine might get developed by September if we are fortunate and lucky. Scientists claim to be a technique that can help in finding corona medicine. Scientists say that the technology using organoids or human organs made in the lab to study viral diseases can speed up research on the coronavirus and pave the way for its treatment. Italy gained significant ground in the vaccine development for COVID-19 pandemic. The scientists tested their vaccine on mice. The mice developed antibodies immediately after single injection, which prevented the virus from infecting human bodies. Researchers selected 2 of 5 candidates for the vaccine after studying them with the best results. Now let us come to some coronavirus updates across the world. Prime Minister Narendra Modi holds a telephonic conversation with Charles Michel, President of European Council. The two leaders discussed the situation of and responses to the COVID-19 pandemic in India and the European Union. They approached mutual cooperation extending the face of the pandemic, including ensuring supplies of essentials pharmaceutical products. National Digital Library reaches out to students amid COVID lockdown. With educational institutions shut due to lockdown, the National Digital Library of India (NDLI) has reached out to students with 3.5 crore academic content to enable them to study from home, an NDLI spokesperson said on Thursday. Combating COVID-19, ICMR partners with India Post for delivering test kits. The Indian Council of Medical Research (ICMR) has joined hands with Indian Post for the delivery of kits from its 16 regional depots to 200 additional labs designated COVID-19 testing across the country. 12 more COVID-19 cases in Karnataka, state count reaches to 705, as stated by the Health Department. The officially tally surged to 1,77,160, meaning Russia now has more registered cases than Germany or France, as the new number of cases of the novel coronavirus jumped to 11,231 in the past 24 hours. Russia overtakes Germany, France after record rise in coronavirus cases. Russia's coronavirus cases overtook France and Germany on Thursday to become the 5th highest number in the world after a record daily rise. And Moscow's mayor said the real figure not captured by official statistics was much higher. The coronavirus case count in India now stands at 52,952 cases according to the latest health ministry figures. Over 1,700 people have died due to the virus across the country. The lockdown in India has been extended till May 17. AIIMS director warns that COVID-19 pandemic yet to peak in India. The director of All India Institute of Medical Sciences has warned that COVID-19 pandemic in India may not have peaked yet. Post-lockdown Italy maintains downward trend in COVID-19 active cases. The total death toll due to novel coronavirus in Italy has claimed more than 29,000 lives. Italy maintained a declining trend in active COVID-19 infections and intensive care cases, one day after it eased the national lockdown. More than 2,000 died in 24 hours. Death toll in US crossed 70,000. The number of deaths in America due to coronavirus epidemic is increasing continuously. In the last 24 hours, more than 2,000 people have died due to this virus. Mizoram becomes 5th corona-free state of the country. Due to coronavirus epidemic, there is an atmosphere of fear in the country and the world. Meanwhile, relief news has emerged that Mizoram has been declared the 5th corona-free state of the country. Bangalore on super spreader alert after delivery boy tested positive. Karnataka's health department claims that the coronavirus situation in the state is under control, but every other day a rash of fresh positive cases belies their confidence. On Wednesday, it's a delivery boy from Bangalore who is giving them the jitters. Officials in the health department worry he could turn out to be a super spreader because of his nature of work, as it puts him in contact with a large number of people across the town. With more than 32,000 coronavirus deaths so far, UK overtakes Italy's toll. The number of people killed by the coronavirus in the United Kingdom stands 32,313, according to the official figures on Tuesday. Now let us go through the worldwide updates. Vizag gas leak, death toll mounts to 11. As per the reports, at least 11 persons, including 2 senior citizens and an 8-year-old girl, died over and 5,000 people fell and sick after alleged gas leak in the chemical plant in Vizag on Thursday morning. Andhra CM announces ₹1 crore relief to those who has been killed in the Vizag gas leak. Andhra Pradesh CM Y.S. Jagan Mohan Reddy on Thursday announced an extra gratia payment of ₹1 crore to each of those who has been killed in the Vizag gas leak. Chhattisgarh gas leak. 7 workers hospitalized, 3 critical after the leakage paper mill in Raigad. At least 7 workers were hospitalized after a gas leak at the paper mill in Chhattisgarh, Raigad on Thursday. 3 workers are said to be critical, as said by the news agency. Raigad Superintendent Police Santosh Singh and Collector Yashwant Kumar met those who were affected by the gas leak. Stranded Bangladeshis in USA to be brought back by the chartered flight. The Ministry of Foreign Affairs, in coordination with Bangladesh Embassy in Washington, D.C. and Consulate Generals of Bangladesh in New York and Los Angeles, has taken initiative to arrange a special chartered flight of Qatar Airways. US finds creative ways to make graduation ceremony in coronavirus lockdown. A speech by Barack Obama, a photo finish at Daytona, or a wild live stream party in the family living room. Americans are dreaming up creative always to celebrate their graduates deprived of traditional diploma ceremonies by the coronavirus pandemic. Karnataka prepares to receive nearly 11,000 stranded Indians flying in from abroad. The Karnataka government is preparing to receive 10,823 state residents who are set from the return of overseas amid COVID-19 pandemic. Rajasthan seals interstate boundaries amid rising coronavirus cases. Rajasthan Chief Minister Ashok Gehlot has issued an order stating that all the interstate boundaries of the state will be sealed with immediate effect to prevent the entry of unauthorized persons from the interstate boundaries of the state. Punjab sanctions ₹35 crore for migrant train fare. The Punjab government has sanctioned ₹35 crore in the first phase towards its share of migrants' cost of transportation by the Indian Railways. Now let us go through the worldwide data of coronavirus. Presently, the total number of coronavirus infected patients is 23,02,692, among which 22,53,734 are in mild condition and 48,958 are in serious or critical condition. Now let us check the data in India. Presently, there are 37,916 active cases, 16,539 discharged, and 1,886 deaths. So that's all for today. We will see you in the next video. Thank you.